Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can check any YouTuber or any YouTube channel monthly or yearly income. So for that just open your any browser and search for Social Blade. This is a website which tell you the income and views of any YouTube channel. So first of all open this first website Social Blade. Now when you open this, here you can see it asks you to paste your channel link. So go to YouTube and search any channel that you want to check its income. Let's suppose I will check this. Click on this share and then click on copy link. So you have to copy the link of that channel. Now go to Social Base website and paste that link here and cite this. When you cite this, here after your verification, it will tell you all about this channel. Now here zoom and check this. Here you can see 625k dollar to 10 million dollar its estimated monthly earnings, or you can check its yearly earning from 7.5 million dollar to 120 million dollar. You can also check its other details. You can check its channel views graph. Also you can check its ranking. Now currently it's first rank in USA. So this is the website where you can check the any YouTube channel income monthly or yearly.